What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're seeing a little bit of drop in the Bitcoin dominance, and a few of the alts are pumping, including Gala. So we're sitting at 0.033, which is my break even for my investment. So that's very exciting. We're up 13% on the day. We're seeing market cap 1.2 billion, 24 volume 338 million. I've heard some bears saying that Gala is going to only go to 10 cents, 20 cents. It's going to be pretty funny for them to watch it. I think at least you're going to go back up to 60 cents to $1, even though they increase the supply, the amount of interest that's in Gala. I think it's one of the top gaming projects, the only gaming project that does music, film, and games. And just the interest from investors, I think could easily take us to the 60 cent range, but we'll have to see how it plays out. Maybe I'll be wrong. So this is the daily chart for Gala Games. As you can see, we're looking to come back to the 20 EMA. We did exactly that and we bounced, and we're continuing up. We've also broken the bullish level that I gave here. So it looks like we may have just put in a shallow wave 2 after this leading diagonal. You'll see a lot of shallow wave 2s where it comes to the 38.2 in a bull market. So basically what you're looking at here, what the fuck? Pardon my French, is a leading diagonal into a wave 1, just like this, shallow wave 2 pullback, and now you're going to push up in a 3, 4, 5. So I'm just going to increase the size so it doesn't confuse you guys. Come on, bro. How are you acting up today? So micro, I don't need this. All right, so if we take a fib extension, you can get the target for the wave 3, bottom of that wave 1 to the top of the impulse to the shallow bottom 2, and that will give you a wave 3 target all the way up here at about 0.054. Very exciting times for Gala, up at 5 cents, but I do think we may push up to this major resistance zone in between 0.03985 and 0.04272. See a little bit of pullback and then continue up to 5 cents for Gala. Looking good on the daily time frame. If I can pop back into it, we've already printed the bullish cross. We're starting to break up, pushing up to our next resistance zone. Let's see how the weekly's looking. Yeah, we still got a little bit of work to do on the weekly before we see the bullish cross. So one of my members in my Discord said that Gala is still going through a correction because this is only a three wave move, but it can actually be an extended wave 5. So if this is a wave 1 to the upside off the bear market low, that's a wave 2 pullback. The minimum target for a wave 3 is the 100% extension, and we broke that. So basically you have a 1, 2, 3, and then you have an extended 5. So you pushed up into 1, you pull back into 2 before continuation. That's what I think is likely for Gala, but we'll have to see how it plays out. In the short term, decent chance when we push up to that resistance zone, especially if the Bitcoin dominance continues to drop. If we were to see a larger pullback from here, that means that this was the top of the leading diagonal right here, and then you're going to see a wave 2 before continuation. We'll have to see how that plays out. Currently, we're in multiple trades. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. When you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees, up to $5,500 in bonuses. All you have to do is sign up. It takes 30 seconds. Once you've done that, send me an email, and I'll give you complete free access for life to my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects. My crypto trades, we're in 3 trades right now. My Forex signals, as well as one of our members is posting trade signals all day. Where is he? Oh, they're doing a little chatting in here. But he's usually posting trade signals all day long, but they've been doing a little bit of chit chat. Yeah, here we go. Here's some of the signals, yeah. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX and send me an email. Takes two seconds, guys. Really worth it. Almost 3,000 members in the Discord. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.